Welcome to Best Pick. Top 10 Best Cordless Drills with 2 batteries and charger in 2021. Top 1. DEWALT Brush 20V Max Cordless Drill Combo Kit, 2-tool, DCK240C2, Yellow Black Drill Driver Impact Combo Kit. Ergonomic design, lightweight tools designed to fit the user's needs. Increased visibility, the DCF885 features a built-in LED with 20-second delay after trigger release. Includes 1. DC-D771 drill driver, 1. DCF885 1/4 inches impact driver, 2. 20V Max Lithium-Ion 1.3 Ah battery packs, 20V max charger, and 1. Kit bag. One-handed bit loading, the DCF885 has a 1/4 inches hex chuck and accepts 1 inches bit tips, power tool type, cordless. High-performance motor, the DC-D771 delivers 300 unit watts out, UWO, of power ability completing a wide range of applications. Top 2. BLACK+DECKER 20V Max Cordless Drill / Driver with 30-piece accessories, LD120VA. Power source battery powered. Brand BLACK+DECKER. Color orange. Voltage 20 volts. Speed 750 RPMs. About this item. Ideal for drilling through or screwing in wood, metal, and plastic. Soft grip handle provides added comfort during use. The lithium-ion battery holds a charge for up to 18 months. 30 accessories include drill and screw driving bits, nut drivers, and magnetic bit tip holder. Kit also includes 120-volt lithium-ion battery and charger. Uses: drilling through wood, metal, and plastic, screw driving the wood, metal, and plastic. RPM, 0-650 RPMs. Chuck size, 3/8 inch. Clutch setting, 24. Included components: LD1 20V Max Lithium Drill Driver, 1, LB20 20V Max Lithium-Ion Battery, 1, LCS 20 Charger, 6, Brad Point Drill Bits, 10, 1-inch Screw Driving Bits, 9, 2-inch Screw Driving Bits, 4, Nut Drivers, 1, Magnetic Bit Tip Holder. Power source, cordless. Top 3. DEWALT 20V Max Cordless Drill / Driver Kit, Compact, 1/2 inch, DC-D771C2. Power source battery powered. Brand DEWALT. Color DEWALT yellow. Voltage 20 volts. Speed 1500 RPMs. About this item. Compact, lightweight design fits into tight areas. High-performance motor delivers 300 unit watts out, UWO, of power ability completing a wide range of applications. High-speed transmission delivers 2 speeds, 0-450 and 1500 RPMs, for a range of fastening and drilling applications. Chuck type, keyless, 1/2 inches single-sleeve ratcheting chuck provides tight bit gripping strength. Ergonomic handle delivers comfort and control. Tool width, 1.9 inch. Maximum initial battery voltage, measured without a workload, is 20 volts. Nominal voltage is 18. Battery capacity, 1.3 ampere-hour. Top 4. DEWALT 20V Max Cordless Drill / Driver Kit, Brushless, 1/2 inch, DC-D791D2. Power source battery powered. Brand DEWALT. Voltage 20 volts. Speed 2000 RPMs. Item dimensions LXWXH 16.22 x 4.5 x 10.1 inches. About this item. DEWALT brushless motor which delivers up to 57% more run time. 2. XR Li-ion batteries with fuel gauge provide 33% more capacity. Compact, lightweight design for tight spaces. High-speed transmission with 2 speed settings. 3-mode LED lights with a spotlight mode. Top 5. Dual 20V Max Combo Kit, Compact 4-Tool, DCK421D2. DCD780-20V Max 1/2 inch drill driver features a 2-speed transmission, 0-600/0-2000 RPMs. DCF885-20V Max 1/4 inch impact driver features a 3 LED light ring with 20-second delay. DCS393-20V Max 6 1/2 inch circular saw features a powerful 460 MWO, 3700 RPMs motor. DCLO40-20V Max LED work light delivers 110 lumens of light output. 20V Max 2.0 all lithium-ion battery packs. DCD780-20V Max 1/2 inch drill driver features a 2-speed transmission, 0-600/0-2000 RPMs. DCF885-20V Max 1/4 inch impact driver features a 3 LED light ring with 20-second delay. Top 6. Makita XT269R2 F18V Compact LXT Lithium-Ion Brushless Cordless Combo Kit, 2-piece, blue. Power source battery powered. Brand Makita. Color blue. Voltage 18 volts. Item dimensions LXW XH 10.98 x 16.39 x 6.18 inches. About this item. The efficient BL brushless motor is electronically controlled to optimize battery energy use of up to 50% longer runtime per charge. The BL brushless motor eliminates carbon brushes, enabling the BL motor to run cooler and more efficiently for longer life. The electronically controlled BL brushless motor efficiently uses energy to match torque and RPM to the changing demands of the application. Variable 2-speed 1/2 hammer driver drill, 0-500 and 0-200 RPM, with BL brushless motor delivers 530 inches. lbs. of max torque, weighs only 3.6 pounds. With battery, variable speed impact driver, 0-3, 400 RPMs and 0-3, 600 IPM, with BL brushless motor delivers 1/500 of max torque, weighs only 2.8 pounds. With battery, top 7. Makita XFD12T 5.0 All18 VLXT Lithium-Ion Compact Brushless Cordless 1/2 Driver Drill Kit. Power source battery powered. Brand Makita. Voltage 18 volts. Speed 2000 RPMs. Item dimensions LXW XH 5.5 x 15.8 x 13.2 inches. About this item. Mechanical 2-speed transmission, 0-500 and 0-2000 RPMs, for a wide range of drilling and fastening applications. BL brushless motor delivers 530 lbs. of max torque. Efficient BL brushless motor is electronically controlled to optimize battery energy use for up to 50% longer runtime per charge. The BL brushless motor eliminates carbon brushes, enabling the BL motor to run cooler and more efficiently for longer life. The electronically controlled BL brushless motor efficiently uses energy to match torque and RPM to the changing demands of the application. Top 8. Dual 20V Max XR Brushless Impact Driver and Hammer Drill Combo Kit, Premium 4.0 AH, DCK299M2. Power source battery powered. Brand DEWALT. Color 4.0 AH. Voltage 20 volts. Item dimensions LXW XH9 x 6 x 15 inches. About this item. Hammer drill. DCD996 hammer drill features includes 3 speed levels, high performance, 0-2000 RPMs, and all-metal transmission. Impact driver. DCF887-20V Max 1/4 inch impact driver provides 1825 lbs of max torque at fast 0-3250 RPM speed and 0-3600 impacts per minute. Size. Both units are compact and lightweight to help get into tight spots. Includes 2 DCB204-20V Max XR high-capacity Li-ion batteries, 4.0 AH. Maximum initial battery voltage, measured without a workload, is 20 volts. Nominal voltage is 18. Top 9. Makita XFD13118 VLXT Lithium-Ion Brushless Cordless 1/2 inch Driver Drill Kit, 3.0 Ah. Power source battery powered. Brand Makita. Voltage 18. Speed 900 RPMs. Item dimensions LXWXH 10.16 x 15.08 x 6.06 inches. About this item: mechanical 2-speed transmission, 0-500 and 0-1, 900 RPMs, for a wide range of drilling and fastening applications. BL brushless motor delivers 440 inches-pounds of max torque. Efficient BL brushless motor is electronically controlled to optimize battery energy use for up to 50% longer runtime per charge. The BL brushless motor eliminates carbon brushes, enabling the BL motor to run cooler and more efficiently for longer life. The electronically controlled BL brushless motor efficiently uses energy to match torque and RPM to the changing demands of the application. Top 10. BLACK+DECKER 20V Max Drill and Home Tool Kit, 68-piece, LDX120 PK, Black Orange. Power source battery powered. Brand BLACK+DECKER. Color Black Orange. Voltage 20 volts. Item dimensions LXWXH 19.5 x 3.63 x 13.63 inches. About this item: includes 20V lithium drill for a variety of home projects, hanging pictures or wall decor, assembling furniture, updating fixtures, building birdhouses. Lithium-ion battery, always ready, holds a charge up to 18 months. The 11-position clutch prevents stripping and overdriving screws. Included components: 1. LDX120 drill driver, 1. 20-volt max lithium-ion battery, 1. Charger, 1. Storage bag, 1. Tape measure, 1. Adjustable wrench, 1. Needle nose pliers, 2. Manual screwdrivers, 1. Utility knife, 1. Slip joint pliers, 1. 12-ounce hammer, 1. Ratcheting screwdriver, 4. Hole saws with mandrel, 32. Screw driving bits, 1. Magnetic bit holder, 10. Drilling bits, 5. Spade bits. Check out the description link for more information. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, don't forget to subscribe.